I've been here about 11 years, coming from another country, and I really like the way they look after the seniors. Usually in other countries they concentrate on children, but here in Canada it seems they do really care for the seniors.
The Senior Advisory and Accessibility Committee has been very active in the city of Surrey in the past year. The goal has been to address age-friendly priorities and get feedback from the local community.
So today is about acknowledging seniors in our community and all that you contribute. The highlights for 2013, we've continued with the Focus on Seniors forums, which have been designed to educate and provide resources to seniors about elder abuse and neglect, how to plan to avoid becoming isolated, and how to plan for your future.
Do you have any information on senior housing in particular?
We do. We have a guide on all sorts of facilities that are available for seniors.
We're increasing the outreach, we're increasing entertainment, we're really trying to make sure that people know where the education items are.
Today we're going to learn how to get a new Hotmail account.
Also, to begin in the spring of 2014, the age-friendly strategy will begin, keeping a focus on safety and well-being for seniors.
Here you go, Leah.
Thank you. I'm Leah Bolton with Joy TV News.